Good evening, everyone. We are back. We've got our CrossRiver set up here, and we now have a new accessory available for you, one that people have been asking about. We now have available a 4th axis rotary that works with our CrossRiver. Your kit will include the 4th axis assembly, your far end support, your cables that you need. There's 2 cables here because with the CrossRiver you've got your signal and power cables, and you also come with a chuck key. This one is spring loaded, so there's no chance you can leave it in the chuck. Connection on this is very straightforward. You've got your 2 connectors just like all your other CrossRiver motors. The larger one is for your signal, the smaller is for your power. On the back of our motor housing, we've got our 2 connectors right there. We plug in our signal, we plug in our power. I'm not going to tighten that down right this minute, just for a quick demo. The cables will not run through the drag chain or anything like that. You're going to have to route them safely out of the way. What I'm going to do is, just for ease of access, on the back of the controller, the X-axis is the easiest to access there. So I'm going to go ahead, unplug my cables for my X-axis motor, plug in my cables for our 4th axis. Simple as that. Position it where you need it to be at. If you were trying to work here, for example, I'm going to go ahead and leave this out here, out in the open part, just for ease of use. I've got software connected right now. If I try and move our X-axis, we do see our movement on the 4th axis as we expect. If you were lasering something, say tumbler, flask, something like that, simply have to insert into the jaws. Make sure you drop that spring-loaded chuck key a couple times. That makes it work better. Simple as that. We have our device in place. I would have to true that up before I could do anything with it, obviously. But this is what people have been waiting for, so we are glad that we are able to get this out to you now. Quantities are limited on this. We do not have an unlimited supply of them. So please follow the link and get yours today. We can have them shipped out to you next day. Thanks. And if you have any questions, as always, email us at support@yorahome.com, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have.